Folks, I think we've lost the fear of God in our culture today. There was a time when people lamented the fact that there was so much hell, fire, and brimstone preaching and talk about a judgmental God. Boy, I tell you what, I can't remember the last time I've heard anyone preach hell, fire, and brimstone. Can't remember the last time I've seen any preacher even mention hell or judgment. I don't hear about the holiness of God and living a holy life. I just hear so much today about you can all be champions and you can be successful and you know, what is this all about? Have we lost the fear of God? The fear of God is the beginning of wisdom, the Bible says. God is holy. Now that doesn't mean we should cower before Him in fear, because that's not what the word means in the Bible. It's a sense of love. A love that is so deep and passionate, I don't want to displease Him. You know, I want to honor Him because of all that He's done for me. It's a respect, it's a reverence, but it's also an affection and a devotion. Have we lost that today?